This video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to launch games on Roblox. If you're trying to launch any game but it can't play, then let me show you how you can fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to fix any issue with your game, you need to go ahead and troubleshoot your Roblox app. To do this, just go back to your app and then just long press on it like this and then choose app info option. Now here there are quite a number of steps you can take to troubleshoot this issue. First, you need to go ahead and clear the Roblox cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of data stored by this Roblox, and of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally stores whenever you use it to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your Roblox app to malfunction, and that includes being unable to launch games. So to solve this, go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose this option, clear cache. And okay, now at this point, go ahead and restart your Roblox app and this should have solved your problem. However, should you still experience any problem with your app, you can launch a game, then come back again to this app info, and this time around go ahead and tap on clear all data and then okay. Then go ahead and restart your smartphone and this should solve now your problem. So by following these steps, you should be able now to launch games and play games on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.